Hello, this is George Senda, the real, authentic, original, official, one and only, the guy from Pittsburgh. And, I have a list of things on eBay that I want to buy. I watch them. Same with Amazon. I got to watch those things I'd like to buy. And if they ever fix my wish list, you guys can see what I want and act accordingly if you want to give me a gift for me or the kiddies. But I got awakened this morning rudely because Fluffy decided to zoom along the floor and jump on the bookcase, which woke me up at 4 in the morning. I stared at the clock and thought it was 20 to 8. I got my doctor's appointment in San Francisco today, so I got awakened at 4 a.m. I'm not a 4 a.m. kind of guy unless I'm awake, which I wasn't. It was sound asleep. Not happy at Fluffy. He went out. So I go into eBay to see what's there and look at my watch list. There's one I missed. I had bookmarked this or clicked on it, and I'll post a link. And I'm going like, is this guy really selling these for this? Okay, this is USB 3.0 to IDE and SATA converter. And excuse me, I'm pronouncing the SATA wrong. It may be Sata. I don't know. External hard drive adapter kit, 2.5 inch / 3.5 inch cable. And this is a little USB 3.0 to IDE or SATA converter. And they got a picture of it connected, and they got like a small hard drive. And I guess it goes to your laptop or something. But here's what got me. It says, condition new. 3 viewed per hour, 23 product ratings, 5 stars, quantity 1, last one for sale, 1,642,000 sold, and underneath are similar devices. They're selling for about 17 bucks, but this one is nutso. $108.98 with $463 a month payments for 23 months, and buy it now. Now, the only thing about this, if you bought it now, you earn $100 in eBay bucks, and I have a program with this swag bucks. I'm getting things every time I buy on Amazon, eBay, or wherever. But I'm going like $11,000 for $17 converter bucks. This is the craziest eBay ad I've seen in a long time. Now, I saw one earlier in the year for $9,000 for an item, and I thought that was nuts. This surpassed it. $11,000 for a $17 connector. So this is crazy eBay listings, and I'm gonna keep an eye on this and see if anybody actually buys this or not. Because this is crazy. Particularly when you go underneath and you look down, and I'll post a link to this. 3.0 to IDE SATA converter, USB external hard drive adapter kit, $16.37 with free shipping. Here's another one, same thing. $15.93, $16.95. They all got free shipping. Now let me look at this guy. Where is this guy at? This is Laverne, California. Arise before Christmas. Fast and free shipping. Now, so, I guess if you really need this and you've got the money to blow, and because my keyboard needs to be charged, I couldn't get a screenshot of this. I'll have to get that later. But this made me laugh. $11,000 for a $17 converter. All right, this is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. It's going to be snowing back east tomorrow in New England, New Jersey, Long Island. So be aware of that. New York, 1 to 3 inches, then rain on Friday. Have a great morning. Stay wet, warm, dry, or cool as the case may be. I hope you stay dry and warm out there and be safe in the roads, because like in Michigan, they just had a big snowstorm. And this one town I just watched the video. It's very pretty. So you see guys trying to shovel 4 feet of snow off the roofs and icicles like this. And those things, you got to knock those down because they have been known to fall and kill people. And there's my Christmas moose and the Christmas kitty up there. So, all right, have a great morning. And this is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. I'll catch you next time. Bye-bye for now.